I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Sam's Club membership, follow these straightforward steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Sam's Club website and log into your account using your membership credentials. This is where you will manage your membership settings. Step 2. Navigate to membership options. Once logged in, go to the membership section, which is usually found in your account settings. This is where you can find options related to your membership. Step 3. Select cancel membership. Look for the option to cancel your membership. It may be labeled as cancel membership or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Follow the prompts. You will be guided through a series of prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read each prompt carefully, as some may ask for feedback on why you're cancelling. Step 5. Check for confirmation email. After completing the cancellation process, check your email for a confirmation message from Sam's Club. This ensures that your membership has been successfully cancelled. Remember, if you cancel your membership, you may lose access to member-only deals immediately. I once missed out on a great sale because I didn't check my email for confirmation right away. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.